Coming here to TierraMitica has been the best thing I've done in my life.
If you've never had anything like this, I guarantee that.
For my 55th birthday, I decided to give myself the biggest gift that I ever could. And that was a change that is beyond my understanding.
TierraMitica es una experiencia de verdad que te cambia la vida.
TierraMitica has opened my eyes, it's opened my heart.
TierraMitica is a healing centre and a community situated in the high jungle near Tarapoto in Peru. We're so much different from other places in that we truly change people's lives.
It is the most transformational experience, and definitely the Mythic Voyage is one of the most challenging thing I've ever done in my life.
TierraMitica is different from many other places is because the way that we guide people is that we invest time to understand what they're looking to get out of their experience. And over time, we've learned so much about the human psychology through the research that we do.
I feel like the most profound things that I've actually learned from here, well, not necessarily from the ayahuasca, but from the very deep and intense consultations that we had with Mikis, who is he's just an unbelievable man. This is probably the hardest thing I've ever done in my life.
This is not just one of those spiritual workshops that you do, and I've done many. This is totally different. It's a real tool for life.
You're just in a process of just undoing years and years and years of what you think you know, until your brain is just like completely shut off and totally jello, and you're just like, okay, I don't know anything, so help me out of it. And then Mikis just starts recreating it and rebuilding it.
You absolutely, without a doubt, learn the truth about everything that you have ever wondered about yourself, about the world.
I know that this place is so unique because it's holistic.
Because the work we do here at TierraMitica is holistic, and because we have such an in-depth understanding of human beings and the human psyche, we accept absolutely anybody with any kind of condition, whether it be a mild condition such as anxiety or depression, or a severe disorder such as schizophrenia or multiple personality disorder.
When I came here, I was sick and weak in the physical and in the heart, everywhere. And now I feel strong and healthy and ready to live life and take everything.
It will bring you to your limits, and then you realize that you have more strength than you thought, and you can push through.
I'm feeling proud of myself, finally. I feel like I can do anything right now. Yeah, and I know that it's not just a short-term feeling.
We not only help these people solve these issues, but we help them find a life of inspiration, a life of creativity, a purpose for their lives, that they can leave TierraMitica knowing that they have a future they can be overjoyed and excited to live.
I've been depressed in varying levels all my life since I can little boy. And then major depression I just went through over the winter. I literally didn't get off the lazy boy for 6 weeks. Eat there, slept there, wouldn't shower, wouldn't do anything. Music sounded dull. Colors were more gray than anything. And now my soul drinks music. My feet dance uncontrollably, and I love it.
I came here pretty broken, and I feel like I'm flying now.
I'm excited to live my life where all my dreams that I've ever wanted are easily attainable.
We're so much different from any other place because of the amount of love that we put into everything that we do.
Even when the worst occurs, everybody here makes you feel safe, makes you feel loved. makes you get the courage to go beyond.
The staff here has been beautiful and so loving and so supportive. On those hard times when you're just not sure if you're going to make it, they've been there to really help you and really love you through it.
We've got a waterfall and swimming pool. We've got beautiful gardens all over TierraMitica with all kinds of plants and flowers.
It's amazing. You can just walk around here in the beautiful nature and recharge your battery.
Just completed Embrace at TierraMitica here. I've spent the last 6 days in the most beautiful mythical paradise.
They managed to create the perfect balance between the jungle and having the Western comfort.
We take such pride in providing the best accommodation.
I've never slept so well in my life.
The facilities are just second to none. The lodgings are super comfortable.
They pride themselves on offering the only gourmet ayahuasca diet, and they're not kidding. It's fucking amazing. I found it very distracting sometimes, just imagining what the next meal is going to be like after starving yourself for ayahuasca.
The food is to die for. It's so good.
We have many buildings. Okapua, our main accommodation building. Casablanca, our social hub. We even have our own art studio, Chocopelli, where art is being created every moment. And you too can create art while you are here in TierraMitica. We have art everywhere in TierraMitica. We have sculptures placed throughout our gardens and our walkways. We have murals painted on the walls of all of our buildings.
You're in the most beautiful place in the world.
We've got an art gallery with 20 murals painted by world-class visionary artists. We've got comfortable facilities, awesome food, fantastic people. What else could you want?
Now I gotta get myself alive, so I'll see you later, right? Take care. Bye-bye.
It's been awesome.
I love you guys. Thanks again.
Thank you.
Thanks to TierraMitica.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You guys are fucking awesome. Yeah. Bye-bye.